Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to review Tigsaw. This is the tool you can use to add the high converting components like the announcement bar, navigation bar, reviews, countdown timer, hero section, buttons, and so many other components in your website. No matter it's built on the WordPress, it's on the other platforms like the HTML or the custom coded, you can use this tool to anywhere. And here's the best part, its lifetime deal is available on the app store starting from the just $79. You can use this platform, all the components in 5 sites in just $79 one-time payment here. So let me give you a demo how this platform works. For example, this is the just I have a notification bar I have created on here, and you can see I have just published to adding on my website. So this is the visual editor look like. So you can see I have just added a single code here, and now in every section I have this kind of the visual editor available. I can simply choose where I want to add that notification bar here. So for example, after this sentence I want to add, so simply click, and now you can see insert before or after. So I will go with the after, and now you can see this will be the published here. And not only that, I can add it on the multiple places here. Okay, for example, after this line I want to add here. Okay, so simply select, click after, and now you can see boom. So that's how you are going to use this platform to adding these high converting components on your website here. So once you're done, you can click here on the save and continue. So let me click here on the save and continue, or I can just minimize it here. So let me minimize, and now you can see. Okay, so it has so many widgets available. Let me click here on the edit, and if I go to the back here again, let me close this one, and here I will show you all the widgets it has available. So let me go to the widgets, manage widgets. Okay, and now you can see it has so many widgets available with the different things. Okay, so right now you can see this is the notification bar, this is the your pricing plan. So you should definitely check it out, the library of this widget. It has the countdown timer that you can even add on your add to cart section. Okay, you can see this is how it will look like, and with a single click I can customize it. Simply click here, customize, and after that you have to name the URL you want to add. Make sure you white label your website before adding on your website here. Okay, so I will show you how it can be done here, but first let me talk about the detail things that you will get in its lifetime deal here. So starting from its lifetime deal, the $79, you will get the 5 site access, means you can use this platform for the 5 site unlimited visitors. There will be the active widgets, will be the 20, drag and drop editor, fee installation, everything here. Okay, so if you want more website visitors or the active widgets, you have to go with the higher plans here. Okay, so that is about its lifetime deal. Now let me give you a detailed overview and the demo of this platform. So once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in. Okay, and here it is going to show you the visitor data and the sum of the tutorial. So our main task starts from the visit section. We want to create a visit here. Okay, so whether what you can do, you can just access its library. So it has so many great widgets available that you can access and the customize, or what you can do, you can also create from the scratch here. So that will be also so much easy. I will show you out, but first let me choose any of that. So let me select this one here. Okay, so this is going to add this some product USB highlights. Okay, in while adding my product page here. Okay, so this is how. So let me click here on the customize this template. Let me name it like the add to widget here. Okay, then this is the product page URL where I want to edit here. So I will go with my home page. Okay, so simply copy the page URL. I am just giving you idea with my home page here. I have added. Okay, then you have the control like the condition, exact matches, contents, or the start with. So I will go with either of any one. Okay, then after that you can see I can select the target device, mobile, tablet, or desktop. I will go with the all, click here on the continue, and now it will start working out, building the template and customizing. So either you are just creating from the scratch, or you are using or customizing any template. It is so much easy. Suppose I am just creating it from the scratch, then I have to simply drag and drop that element, and that's how my widget will be the start crafting here. Okay, now I want to customize, so simply click here, and now you have the elements available to customize or edit. Same goes with the image, same goes with the text, or any kind of the button if you have available in your widget. So once the thing is done, what you can do, it has also some things available, like you can even add the images, columns, maps, so many elements available here. Then we have this editing section available, that is the class attribute. Okay, then this is the your sections of the element you have used. So once everything is done and your widget is built, click here on the save and continue, and now it will ask you to connected selection of the connected website here. So you can see I have already connected my website. So connecting is really simple. Once you add your website here, click on the plus icon, add your website URL and the name, and after that it is going to give you a script code here. Okay, that script code you have to add in your website header part. For example, this is the script code I got here, and I have to simply paste on the header part of my website and click here on the save changes, and that's all. You have connected Tigsaw with your website for adding all the elements you can build in this platform here. Okay, so now I have connected, I have selected domain, click here on the continue, and now it is going to open up the visual editor here. So you can see this window is automatically added or open, and now I can select any of the element before or after. I can just add that widget I have just created. For example, I want to add after this, or I want to after this button here. So select here and click here on the insert after, and now you can see that thing is added. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, with a simple click I have added this widget here, and no matter any part of the website you can add it. For example, I want to add it on the footer, so let me go to the footer here, and suppose I want to add here. Okay, so simply click, select that element, that section, click here on the insert before or after, and that will be the added. So much easy, isn't it? Okay, now you want to delete some of them. For example, I have in this page added 2 widget section here, so I will simply remove, and that's how it's removed. Okay, now remove this one, and that's how it's removed. So this is so much easy process with the Tigsaw, and that is the thing what I like most here in this platform here. Okay, so the thing you are going to like is library of the widgets and the capability to easily installing the widgets on your website, no matter on which section you want to add them, and it has so much crazy converting widgets available here. So if you want to check it out, like you want to get a demo on their official site, like they create urgency with driving actions. Okay, so you will get all the information, and like I mentioned, you can use the Tigsaw on any kind of the website build, like no matter it's website built on the WordPress, Shopify, we have the Magento, we have the WooCommerce, we have the other custom coded website, or built on the HTML, we can use it everywhere. That is the beauty here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to check the Tigsaw lifetime deal, you can just check the description below. Make sure you also subscribe the channel to stay updated with all these kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.